Are you just starting out and looking for comfort first and foremost? Enjoy the comfort of the Practik range. Includes automatic threader, automatic buttonhole in one step, and LED stitch indicator. The Practik 5 is suitable for all types of fabrics, as it is a robust and stable machine which has 2 metal spool holders, metal presser foot holder, metal shuttle and bobbin case. Includes 12 types of stitches, automatic buttonhole in one step, lock stitch, right side shifted back stitch, overlock, elastic overlock lingerie, left blind stitch, stretch stitch with overcasting, scallop stitch, wave scallop stitch, decorative stitch and right blind stitch. It has upper thread tension regulator to adapt the seam to the fabric, automatic bobbin winder, double presser foot height for coarse fabrics, and free arm for tubular fabrics. The machine also has a white LED light, 6 rows of drive teeth to facilitate the movement of the fabric, stitch reversal for back tack stitches, and thread trimmer. Get the most out of your Practik 5.